Welcome back to Joe's Galley. Well, we've been out and caught some cockles with our cockle fisherman Reese, who's a veteran cockle fisherman around this area, lives by the sea, raised his family by the sea, even surfs the sea. Fantastic, salute. You're gonna love this dish. It's a typical Italian dish, pasta vongole. It's fantastic. Let's pour ourselves a sherbet before we get going. We'll get stuck into it. Good on ya. Oh, it's back breaking. Now I understand why he wears that bloody back brace. It's full of bloody magnets. Only trouble is, he keeps swinging around to the north. So that's how you catch him. Let's cook him. Fuck, his back's still sore following him around. Today's ingredients can't get much simpler. We got garlic, chilies, be careful. We got a bunch of parsley. And of course a bit of salt and pepper. We got some good quality dry white wine. Today's pasta is spaghetti. Get your pasta pot on and add enough salt until it tastes like seawater. Rightio then, let's kick off with our chili infused olive oil. Okay, let's get our garlic in straight away. Don't forget, just crush it. Follow up with your chilies. And I like to put a few parsley stalks in, just give the oil that little bit of flavour. There's plenty of flavour there in those parsley stalks. Cook them for about a minute, then take them out. Time to bring on the heroes, the Vongole. Now for that cup of white wine. Don't waste too much, you might want to drink some. And that's so important, parsley. Don't be bashful. Big handful. We're going to add some more later. Get the lid on your pot now and have it at a medium to high heat. Okay, then let's put in about 250 grams of pasta, enough for two. If somebody's watching, give it a twist in the middle and drop it into the pot. You look like a boss. Every so often pick up your pan full of vongole, give it a bit of a shake around, get them all cooking. After about 5 or 6 minutes they should be all opening up. As you can see here, they look fantastic and it smells really good. Grab your strainer and get them all out of the juice. I don't give a rat's backside about the decoration now, so I take all the shells off. You only leave the shells on for decoration. Pasta should be about 3/4 cooked by now, so grab it off and put it into the sauce that's left there. Time to add a little bit more parsley too. Add a bit of water that you cook the pasta in. You might even have to add a little bit more later, but bit by bit keep your eye on it. Now it's time to start flipping the pasta. This will help aerate the sauce and it'll form that crema, you know, thicken everything up. Chuck in your vongole, that's it, chuck it in and keep flipping. And that's it, time to plate up. Spaghetti alle vongole. Beautiful, mate. Give it a splash of olive oil, a dash of black pepper, and just a touch of parsley to finish off. So how easy was that? Fantastic. Make sure that you give it that flip right at the end. Keep it flipping, keep it flipping. Right at the end, just keep working it. Keep working it and you get the crema. You get that crema. It's so important. But that's one of the secrets. So here we are. It's a taste test. You can tell I'm hanging. Mate, that is so good. Oh, look at this. My mouth's just hanging for a tell you. Beautiful. As always, I killed it again. That's so good. And I like that little bit of chilli here. It's fantastic. Mate, I could eat this all day. All day. Great for summer. You're gonna love it. Give it a go. Worth the effort. It is fantastic. It was so simple. What are you using? What's not easy? Shit, you knocked over me wine. Have we got any more? Okay, is there more? All right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to your friends. And I'll catch you on the next one. I love you all. Salud.